What is up, everybody? This is Alex over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa with another one of our Courtesy Customs Gladiator builds. Now this one is a little special. We kind of went a little over the top with this one. Due to the nature of it being the High Vis, we wanted to not only show off the yellow that's on here, but also kind of break it up a little bit to give it that definition. So for starters, what we did was put a graphic here on the hood, kind of break up that, give it a little bit more of an aggressive look. Also went back here and through the decal here on the B-pillars, kind of gives it that one big window look. I'm a huge fan of that personally. It's a newer trend that's coming along on the Jeeps. We also kind of added this too to the rear. Look at how nice that looks, and a nice gloss black really kind of matches up with the wheels that's on here. Breaks it up. You still have your Jeep logo, but giving it a nice custom finish. Definitely a one-of-a-kind Gladiator. We went with the 37 1350 BFG KM3s, nice rugged tires, and yes, for all the people that say you can't do it, we have the matching spare sitting underneath the Gladiator. I've heard that comment countless times that you can't do it, and over here at Courtesy Jeep, I promise you we can get that underneath there. Went with the 20-inch fuel wheels, the Blitz. We've got the Predator Series NFAB side steps. Up here in the front, we've got the Fab 4's stubby bumper with the Rough Country 9,500 pound winch. Nice and sturdy, pull all your Bronco buddies out. Underneath here, we've got the JKS quick disconnects. We've got the heavy duty coils on all four corners. The Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks, as well as the longer front lower control arms. Over here on the other side, we've got the Fox ATS adjustable steering stabilizer, and as well as the adjustable track bar, so everything in the front end gets dialed in. Now, another thing we added too was this actually a Mopar Performance cold air intake. I was a little skeptical on this myself because you've got the vents on the side of the hood. However, this design, if water goes in here, there's actually a track on the inside part to where it won't go into the intake, so you don't have to worry about that. Look at how nice this bad boy is. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind Gladiator. The only thing missing in this is you in the driver's seat. You want to come check it out, stock number J234950.